Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about natural wellness and living your best life at any age. I'm your host, Sarah, and today we're re-diving into a topic that's especially important for our senior viewers. But trust me, everyone can benefit from this information. Well, here's the exciting news. You don't need to rely on pills or powders to get your collagen fix. Mother Nature has provided us with a bounty of delicious collagen-rich foods that can help boost your mobility and keep you feeling young and vibrant. We're talking about collagen, that magical protein that keeps our skin glowing, our joints flexible, and our bodies moving smoothly. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, acting like the glue that holds everything together. Plus, many of these foods are also packed with other nutrients that support overall health and boost your immune system. It's a win-win situation. These fish are not only rich in collagen, but they're also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. While the yolk gets a lot of attention for its nutrient content, egg whites are actually a great source of collagen. They're also low in calories and high in protein, making them an excellent choice for those watching their weight. Try starting your day with a veggie-packed egg white omelet, or add some hard-boiled egg whites to your salad for a collagen boost. Inflammation is a major contributor to joint pain and reduced mobility. So including these fish in your diet can provide a double whammy of benefits. Garlic also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great addition to any healthy diet. Use garlic liberally in your cooking, or try roasting whole cloves for a milder, sweeter flavor. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week to reap the rewards. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are all excellent sources of vitamin C, which, as we mentioned earlier, is crucial for collagen production. When you're mobile and pain-free, you're able to enjoy all the activities that bring you joy, whether that's playing with grandchildren, gardening, or traveling. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your health, and small changes can lead to big results over time. By nourishing your body with these collagen-boosting foods, you're investing in your future happiness and well-being. And hey, why not share this video with a friend or family member who might benefit from this information? Spreading knowledge is one of the best ways we can support each other on our health journeys. They're also packed with antioxidants and other immune-boosting compounds. Take care, everyone. Start your day with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice, or add a squeeze of lemon to your water for an extra vitamin C kick. It's essential for healthy skin, strong bones, and flexible joints. The key is variety. Try to include a mix of these foods throughout your week. For example, you could start your day with a berry and spinach smoothie, have a chicken salad with leafy greens for lunch, and enjoy a piece of grilled salmon with roasted garlic for dinner. Don't forget to sip on some bone broth as a warming afternoon snack. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in chlorophyll, which may increase the precursor to collagen in your skin. Regular exercise, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep are all crucial for maintaining flexibility and mobility as you age. And of course, always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. They're also packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall health and boost your immune system. Try to include a serving of leafy greens with every meal. Add them to smoothies. Use them as a base for salads, or them as a side dish. Unfortunately, as we get older, our bodies produce less collagen, which can lead to stiff joints, wrinkles, and decreased mobility. The skin and connective tissues of chicken are particularly rich in collagen. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are all packed with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis. They're also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your existing collagen from damage. Snack on a handful of berries. Add them to your morning yogurt or blend them into a smoothie for a delicious collagen boost. When you cook chicken, try leaving the skin on and including some of the cartilage and tendons. These parts might not be the most appetizing to eat directly, But they'll release their collagen into the cooking liquid, which you can then use to make sauces or soups. Now, I know what you're thinking, Sarah. I've heard about collagen supplements, but do they really work? Before we jump into our list of 8 amazing collagen-infused foods, let's take a moment to understand why collagen is so crucial, especially as we age. But don't worry. By incorporating collagen-rich foods into your diet, you can help support your body's natural collagen production and maintain that spring in your step. Bone broth is packed with collagen, as well as other beneficial compounds like glucosamine and chondroitin, which support joint health. To make bone broth, simply simmer animal bones with vegetables and herbs for several hours. The long cooking time allows the collagen and other nutrients to leach out of the bones and into the broth. Enjoy a cup of warm bone broth daily, or use it as a base for soups and stews. All right, let us dive into our list of 8 collagen-infused superfoods that can help seniors and everyone else boost their mobility and feel fantastic. First up, we have bone broth. This ancient remedy has made a big comeback in recent years, and for good reason. Next on our list is fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna. Our third collagen-boosting food might surprise you. It's egg whites. Fourth on our list is a food that's not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. Chicken. Now, let's talk about a plant-based option that's great for boosting collagen production. Berries. Sixth on our list is a true superfood, leafy greens. Our 7th collagen-boosting food is garlic. This pungent herb is rich in sulfur, a mineral that helps synthesize and prevent the breakdown of collagen. Last but certainly not least, we have citrus fruits. Now that we've covered our 8 collagen-infused foods, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your daily diet. Remember, while these foods can help boost your collagen production and support mobility, they're just one part of a healthy lifestyle. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize that adopting a collagen-rich diet isn't just about physical health. It's about quality of life. So, there you have it, folks. 8 delicious, natural ways to boost your collagen production and keep your body moving smoothly. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health and wellness tips. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay healthy, stay mobile, and keep embracing the natural remedies that Mother Nature provides. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about the most powerful drink that can clean your arteries and eliminate poor circulation. Yes, you heard me right. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for everyone's health, but often overlooked: keeping our arteries clean and ensuring optimal blood circulation. If you're ready to take control of your health and discover a simple secret that could revolutionize the way you think about cardiovascular health, then let's get started with today's video. What I'm going to share with you has the potential to transform your health. It's not just a drink, it's a lifestyle change. Let's start with vitamin D. This superstar vitamin is essential for maintaining strong bones and a healthy immune system. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels, improve insulin metabolism, and regulate blood pressure. Just one serving of this drink provides a significant amount of magnesium, making it an excellent addition to your daily diet for maintaining optimal cardiovascular health. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage the artery walls and lead to poor circulation. These antioxidants help protect against cellular damage, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy blood flow. The blend of nutrients in this drink, particularly the magnesium and vitamin C, helps improve blood flow, making it an excellent remedy for those suffering from poor circulation. By doing so, you'll be taking proactive steps towards improving your overall health and well-being. It's a true all-rounder when it comes to supporting overall health and well-being. How do you make this incredible drink? I'll guide you through each step so you can easily recreate it at home. As we age, our arteries can become clogged with plaque, making it harder for blood to flow and increasing the risk of heart disease. The combination of antioxidants, vitamin D, vitamin C, Potassium and magnesium in this drink work synergistically to reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and promote healthy blood pressure, all of which are crucial for maintaining clean and healthy arteries. Berries are not only delicious and visually appealing, but also packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients. Avocado provides healthy fats, potassium, and vitamin E, which contributes to healthy blood flow and overall cardiovascular health. Ginger has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great addition to support your immune system. I recommend using a mix of different berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, to get the most out of their unique health benefits. Fill up your glass with ice cubes and pour the blended mixture over them. Give it a stir to ensure everything is well combined, and enjoy the refreshing goodness. By incorporating this drink into your daily routine, you'll be providing your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support healthy blood flow, cardiovascular health, and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay healthy, stay informed, and take care. So go ahead and give this drink a try. Your body will thank you for it. Your engagement helps build a supportive community where we can learn and grow together. So don't hesitate to join the conversation. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, take care. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, lifestyle, or taking any supplements, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions. Remember, while natural remedies can be powerful, they should complement, not replace, proper medical advice. Add the juice of half a large lime to the mix. I recommend adding 20 drops of stevia berry-flavored stevia. Berry-flavored stevia is a natural sweetener that's calorie-free and has a delicious, prickly berry flavor that complements the overall taste of the drink perfectly. Simply add the stevia berry-flavored stevia to your liking and stir well to ensure it's evenly distributed. You can adjust the amount of stevia berry-flavored stevia to your personal preference depending on how sweet you like your drink. Limes are rich in vitamin C, which supports immune function and acts as a potent antioxidant protecting against cellular damage. Filtered water ensures that you're getting a pure and refreshing base for your drink. Potassium helps counterbalance the effects of sodium, which can cause fluid retention and increase blood pressure. If the drink is too thick, you can add more water to reach your desired consistency. By including this drink in your diet, you can boost your potassium intake and support healthy blood pressure levels. This drink is loaded with vitamin C, providing you with a refreshing and nutritious way to meet your daily requirements for this essential nutrient. But did you know that it also plays a vital role in promoting healthy blood flow? The anti-inflammatory properties of this drink, backed by the antioxidants and vitamin C, can help prevent the formation of blood clots by reducing inflammation and promoting healthy blood flow. Yes, studies have shown that people with poor circulation often have low vitamin D levels. And by incorporating this nutrient-rich drink into your daily routine, you can boost your vitamin D intake and improve circulation at the same time. This drink is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and promote healthy blood pressure. Next, let's talk about vitamin C. This is another essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood vessels. Now let's shift our focus to potassium. This essential mineral is often overlooked, but it's a key player when it comes to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. And don't forget about magnesium. This important mineral is another key player in promoting healthy blood flow and preventing cardiovascular diseases. Finally, let's discuss the power of antioxidants. This drink is loaded with powerful antioxidants such as flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and carotenoids. Now that we've covered the key nutrients, let's dive into the benefits of incorporating this drink into your daily routine. First and foremost, this drink can help clean your arteries. Next, this drink can eliminate poor circulation. Poor circulation can lead to discomfort, pain, and even serious health complications. Furthermore, this drink can help prevent blood clots. Blood clots can be life-threatening and increase the risk of stroke and heart attack. In addition to these key benefits, this drink also supports a healthy immune system, aids in weight management, promotes healthy skin, and improves digestion. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Let's start with the ingredients. First, grab 1 cup of fresh berries. Next, add half a ripe avocado to the blender. Now, let's infuse some citrus flavor and health benefits. To further enhance the immune-boosting properties of the drink, add a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Finally, pour 4 cups of filtered water into the blender. Now let's put everything together. Combine all the ingredients in a blender and blend them thoroughly until you achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. And now comes the fun part, adding ice cubes. For those who prefer a sweeter taste. And there you have it, a delightful and nutritious drink that's not only good for your health, but also tastes amazing. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health and wellness. Before we wrap up today's video, I want to share a very important message with you. I would love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you may have in the comments section below.